Good afternoon, our TFC Cat contestant number 10. Good evening, Kuya. Ano pong pangalan nila?
Bob Jerome Gores po.
Bob Jerome.
Opo.
Yan, ilang taong ka na po dito sa Hong Kong?
Bale magto 2 months lang po.
2 months! Bago ka pa lang sa Hong Kong. So what do you do for a living here in Hong Kong?
Just watching my brother because my parents are working.
So tinitigan mo si Kuya.
Hindi, yung maliit kong kapatid po.
Yung maliit mong kapatid, ikaw ang tumitingin sa kanya. Okay, so napakabait po naman kapatid. At syempre pa, Kuya, paano mo nalaman itong ating audition?
Bale na-announce lang po sa simbahan namin.
Sa simbahan, saan ka dito sa Hong Kong nag-stay?
Sa Lantau Island.
Lantau Island.
Apo.
Ito ba sa Mui Wo?
Opo.
Yan, sa Epiphany Parish.
Opo.
Diba? OMI yan. Okay. So, ilan taon ka na, Kuya?
17 po.
17. Okay, so ano naman ang talent na ibibigay mo sa amin ngayon?
Kakanta po.
Kakanta ka. Alright, so, ladies and gentlemen, our TFC Cat contestant number 10, Mr. Bob Jerome Gores.
I stand before you, accused of many crimes, but I wanna believe the love could still survive. You don't have to say it, and I don't have to read your mind to know that emptiness has finally arrived. How was I to know right from wrong? When words were hardly spoken, so where did I go wrong? Tell me honestly, if you're still loving me, looking into my eyes, honestly. Words have no meaning if they're said at certain times. I need you now so I can feel alive. Oh, how would you know if you won't give me some time to see if everything will work out? You'll be mine. Oh, will I be lost forever? Or someday I may find the words that I've been searching for, just a peace of mind. Tell me honestly, if you're still loving me, looking into my eyes, honestly. Oh, tell me honestly, if you're still loving me, looking into my eyes, honestly.
There you have it, ladies and gentlemen, our TFC Cat contestant number 10, Bob Jerome Gores. Mula pa po yan sa Lantau Island. Yan po, maraming salamat.